Welcome to DWBI Adda videos. In this demo, we will focus on Databricks Lakeflow. Databricks Lakeflow revolutionizes data management by leveraging cutting-edge technologies for seamless data integration, processing, and management, presented by the DWBI Adda team. Explore Databricks Lakeflow's introduction, key features, capabilities, and the business impact it promises for the future. Databricks Lakeflow introduces a groundbreaking approach to data management, enhancing efficiency and integration. Legacy systems fail at modern data scales. Databricks Lakeflow offers a unified architecture, merging data lakes and warehouse to eliminate silos. Lakeflow's unified platform accelerates insights by fostering collaboration across data engineering, science, and analytics. Lakeflow disrupts traditional paradigms with robust open source support, cloud integration, and advanced security, rapidly adopted across industries. Lakeflow's vision is empowering organizations with data driven innovation, simplifying complexity, and ensuring customer success. Lakeflow offers seamless integration of data lakes and warehouse, automated pipelines, and real time processing for efficient data management. Lakeflow unifies analytics, enabling scalable machine learning and effective data visualization, driving predictive and prescriptive insights. Lakeflow ensures end-to-end security, governance, and compliance, providing audit trails and monitoring for data integrity. Lakeflow's elastic scalability, high-performance computing, and resource optimization enhance data processing efficiency. Lakeflow accelerates data-driven decisions, enhancing strategic insights, operational efficiency, and competitive advantage. Lakeflow's adaptable architecture future-proofs data management, ensuring readiness for evolving data landscapes and growth. Customer success stories showcase significant business outcomes and diverse applications, reinforcing Lakeflow's value proposition. Databricks' future roadmap includes innovations and strategic partnerships, fostering a robust ecosystem and customer-centric development. Databricks Lakeflow accelerates strategic insights, operational efficiency, and competitive advantage through streamlined data workflows and agility. Lakeflow's agile architecture and continuous innovation ensure adaptability, scalability, and readiness for future data challenges. Real-world case studies, testimonials, and ROI examples illustrate Lakeflow's tangible business impact and versatile applications.